Hello everyone, this is Andrea, the Girl Plus Paper. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little card from our Craft with Art card subscription. I'm going to fast forward through exactly what you get in this box so that we save some time. You have instructions, some silver star confetti, a block and ink, envelopes, a D-size stamp set, some shaker foam, the card bases. There's the one that I need right on top, and a whole bunch of punch outs. And you'll see that some of mine have already fallen out. That's just how easy they are to pop out. So here it is labeled Project One. So I'm going to punch out all of the Project One leaves and flower petals and such, and we'll move everything to the side and get started. So first of all, we want to stamp the sentiment, and Close to My Heart shows you what sentiment they think will work best, but you can always, switch it out to whatever you need. But I'm going to stick with the actual sentiment, and I have put down my foam underneath to help me get a better image when stamping. And I'm using some of my intense black ink on a bigger block because I have a little bit of problem with my hands still. So it's easier for me to grip those bigger blocks, but the little one works just fine. So I'm just curling up some of the petals now. Now, if you wanted to keep this card flat, you could go ahead and do so. No problem. It would mail much easier that way. But I'm going to give this card to somebody in person, so I'm going to make it a little more three-dimensional. So I have cut between each of my little flower petals, and I am using a dauber and some peach ink to just go ahead and give some shadowing. If you didn't have a dauber, you could always just run the edges in the ink like you saw me do there. Now I'm going to do the same to this top layer, just cut between each of those little petals, and that just frees them up to be able to bend them a little bit better. And, if you know me and you've watched some of my videos, you know that's my style. So I really enjoyed making this first card because I could froof it up a little bit, dress it up and make it mine. And I can't wait to explore the rest of the cards in the subscription, but here we go. I'm putting some foam tape down on the petals because I want to give them some lift and some dimension. So I'm just going to stick that to my card base. Next, I'm going to go ahead and adhere down that little center on a tiny piece of foam tape. So it'll pop up that center as well. And then I'm going to run some adhesive down under the flower and stick the flower leaves in there so they don't cover up the sentiment and they look really pretty. Now for a finishing touch, I'm going to add some loose gold sequins. They are not included in your subscription box, but I just felt they went better with the warm tones of the card. And as a finishing touch, once I decide to glue those down, I'm going to actually add a little bit of my diamond stickles to the center of the flower just to give it a little more, bling and make it a little dressier. And here is a good close-up picture of that flower as I put it together. Now, if you have enjoyed watching this video, please stay tuned because I'm going to go through all 12 cards that are included in the subscription box one by one, and it'll take us about 3 minutes a card, just like today. So if you want to find out more about ordering this, go over to andreasherman.closetomyheart.com and look for the subscription tab, and you can go ahead and find out more information there. Please also be sure to hit the notification bell and subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss any of my future projects. Thanks for watching.